Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Xiaomi Redmi K30S, at the first you have to go for the tools folder and then open your clock application. Accept permission, and after that we have to be right here, we have to be in this place in the left upper corner. Click on the alarm. You can activate one of this alarm, and then when you tap on it you are able to customize, so we can set up the hour and the minutes. Of course, when you go for the additional settings you can change the ringtone, set the repeat. Let's go for the Monday to Friday. We can turn off and turn on vibration, and of course change label. So let's set it up as a wake up. Click on the right upper corner, click there one more time, and as you can see right now, here we got our event, our alarm, and it's set up. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.